Good evening from Expert Credit Sweep. So I just wanted to tell you guys about something really awesome that happened this week. So 4 clients were able to save an almost combined $100,000, okay? So we're talking about the original creditors, Capital One, American Express, Discover, and Barclays, okay? So this happened not because I disputed with the bureaus, it was because I disputed with the original creditor. So bureau dispute first, creditor dispute after, okay, using a 623 template. So these accounts had like really crazy stuff going on, the same stuff that I show you normally. You know, the balances don't match, and you know, there's past dues on accounts that were actually transferred, so on and so forth. So I sent the actual proof from the credit report, stuck it all into the dispute, and yes, this was a 623 template, and all 4 of them received responses, respectively, from whoever it was that I disputed with, stating that they do not have to pay these balances back, okay? I have the copies of them. They do not have to pay these balances back. So sometimes you don't want to dispute with original creditors. Sometimes you only want to dispute with the bureaus. Sometimes you only want to dispute with original creditor. I mean, it just really all depends on the circumstances, but I just wanted to tell you guys about that because it was really awesome, and it's a lot of freaking money. So if you need help getting crap off your credit report, then schedule your initial consultation with me using the link down below. It is expertcreditsweeps.com/book-online. Have a great evening from Expert Credit Sweeps. See you guys later.